Okay. Hi everybody. So in the previous class, this morphology of flowering plants, we studied about how to write the description of the flowering plants. So like vegetative characters and floral characters, and how to write the floral diagram and how to write the floral formula we discussed. Okay. So today in this class, let us discuss some families. Okay. So here the families includes how to write the characters of a particular family, and how to write the floral diagram, and how to write the floral formula you can study in this class. Okay. So you need to study 3 families under this morphology of flowering plants. So according to Bentham and Hooker system, there are about 202 families were there. Okay. So but we are going to study only 3 families. So how to write the characters of a family, how to write the floral diagram, how to write the floral formula, and a few examples and the economic importance of that particular family we are going to study. Okay. So 3 families you need to study were, one is Fabaceae, so another one is Solanaceae, and third one is Liliaceae. So these are the 3 families you need to study. So what are the things you are going to study under these families means? You need to write the floral characters, that is semi-description of the flowering plants we already discussed, starting from root to seed, then floral formula and a floral diagram. That should be right for each and every family. So under the family Fabaceae, so what is the habitat of the plant, how the leaf condition, are like vegetative characters, what is the vegetative characters, how the floral characters were there, everything you are going to write in order. So we are already discussed that, like in vegetative characters you need to write about their root, stem and the leaf character. Under the floral characters, inflorescence, flower, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, then fruit and seed. The same characters, the general characters we need to be right for this family Fabaceae. Okay, so let us begin with the individual family. It starts with the family Fabaceae. So this Fabaceae is a subfamily which comes under a large family called Leguminosae. There is a family called Leguminosae. So this is one of the large family. And this Leguminosae family is again divided into subfamilies. It can be divided into subfamilies. So earlier these families like called as Papilionaceae, Mimosaceae, and Caesalpinaceae. So a family called Leguminosae is divided into 3 subfamilies like Papilionaceae, Mimosaceae and Caesalpinaceae. So these are the subfamilies actually. So this Papilionaceae is the older name. Now this Papilionaceae is called as Fabaceae. Okay, so even though it is as a subfamilies, we can consider it as a family itself, the major family itself. So that's the Fabaceae. So remember, Fabaceae is a subfamily which comes under a Leguminosae, a larger family called Leguminosae. Okay, so in this under the Fabaceae, we are going to use this term Papilionaceae for its special characters with respect to their corolla. Okay, so let us discuss from the beginning with respect to their vegetative characters. So what are the characters we can observe under the family Fabaceae, and what about the floral characters, everything we can discuss. Okay, so Fabaceae, the first is vegetative characters. So under the vegetative characters, we already discussed it. First character you need to be right is regarding its root, then stem, then leaf. So these are the three vegetative characters. Okay, so the plants which comes under this family Fabaceae, so usually they have taproot system, taproot system irutte, and most important thing is its habitat that should be written first. So ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, that's important. Habitat, then root. So habitat ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So the plants which comes under Fabaceae are usually herbs or shrubs or climbers. Okay. So usually the plants which belongs to the family Fabaceae are like most of them are herbs and shrubs, and even few climbers were there under this family Fabaceae. Okay, and even very few trees were also there which comes under this family Fabaceae. We come to the root. So root is taproot. Taproot irutte. Jotege most important thing under the family Leguminosae, that includes Fabaceae, Caesalpinaceae and the Mimosaceae, they have a very special kind of root called as root nodules. Root nodules are present. So root nodules are present. Okay, so these root nodules are formed due to the association of rhizobium bacteria. Due to association of rhizobium bacteria. ಆ ರೂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಸೋಬಿಯಂ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ರೈಸೋಬಿಯಂ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸಮ್ ನಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ roots you can find some nodules like this. ಅಂದರೆ ಗಂಟುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಥರ ರೂಟಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಗಂಟುಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so these are called as nodules. Okay, so this is a taproot system. So ಈ ಥರ ಗಂಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೂಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. That is a character of family Fabaceae. Next come to the stem. So usually stem is aerial. Aerial ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಯಿಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then either it is erect or climber. Erect irutte sometimes, or sometimes it like a climber. Okay, so aerial, erect or climber irutte. Okay, so that is a character of the stem. Okay, next come to the leaf character. So leaf alli usually they have stipules. Stipulate irutte andre small appendage present at the base of the leaf. Then pulvinous, leaf base pulvinous. Leaf base is pulvinous. So what is that pulvinous? So pulvinous is a condition where the leaf base is swollen. Okay, this is the normal leaf base. ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But here in Fabaceae, leaf base is get swollen like this. So this is swollen leaf base. The swollen leaf base is called as pulvinous. A swollen leaf base ನ ನಾವು pulvinous ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So leaf base is pulvinous. Okay, and leaves are compound leaves. So compound leaves means on the rachis, on the both the side of a rachis, leaflets are present like this. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಲೀಫ್ ಲೆಮೈನಾ. ಸೊ ಲೀಫ್ ಲೆಮೈನಾ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, These leaf lamina is divided into leaflets like this. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So like this compound leaves are present in the family Fabaceae. Okay, and so what about the phyllotaxy? So phyllotaxy is alternate. Phyllotaxy is alternate. So alternate phyllotaxy ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ each node produces only one leaf. Okay, suppose this is the node, so stem, and here are the nodes. Okay, so each node bears leaves like this on alternative basis. Okay, so this is alternate phyllotaxy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 nodes were there. Each node bears only one leaf. Nodi, 4 nodes. 4 nodes ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 leaves ಇದೆ. So this is called alternate phyllotaxy. Okay. Then with respect to the leaf lamina, so venation. So since it is comes under the dicot, the venation is reticulate. Okay, so these are the characters which comes under vegetative characters. Okay, so habitat: herbs, shrubs, or climbers, or trees. The root is a taproot. Root nodules are present due to the presence of rhizobium bacteria. Stem is aerial, erect, or sometimes it is climber. Then a leaf is stipulate. So stipulate means a small appendages present at the base. ಈ ಥರ ಲೀಫ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಪೆಂಡೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಲೀಫ್. Okay, leaf is stipulate and pedicellate as well, and it's a compound leaf. Okay. Yeah. Then leaf base is pulvinous, a swollen leaf base irutte. So then compound leaves, phyllotaxy is alternate, and venation is reticulate. So this is about the vegetative characters of the family Fabaceae. Okay. So next come to the floral characters. Next come to the floral characters. Okay, so floral characters includes inflorescence, then individual flower, then calyx character, then corolla character, then androecium and gynoecium. Then gynoecium. Okay, so let's come to the inflorescence first. So inflorescence, either it is racemose. In some plants it has racemose, and in some plants it has cymose. ಎರಡು ಥರ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋರಸೆನ್ಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈಮೋಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಸಿಮೋಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋರಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲವರ್, they have at the base of a leaf they have bract. So usually they have bracteate. So bract irutte, small bract is present, and so flowers usually they are zygomorphic. Symmetry is zygomorphic. In only one plane you can get two equal halves. Okay, that is zygomorphic. And bisexual, flowers are bisexual. Okay, so bisexual irutte. And hypogynous. Okay, flowers are hypogynous. So hypogynous means ovary present above the calyx, okay, or calyx and corolla present below the ovary. That is hypogynous. So brackets irutte, zygomorphic irutte, bisexual and hypogynous. Then come to the calyx character. So the number of sepals is 5. Usually sepals 5 irutte. So sepals 5. Then sometimes they are polysepalous and sometimes they are gamosepalous, and most of the case it is polysepalous only. Sorry, gamosepalous. So gamosepalous, and estivation usually it is valvate. Estivation is valvate. Okay, so valvate means all the sepals, all the sepals, they are arranged side by side without any overlap. So that is valvate estivation. Okay, next come to the corolla character. So here the corolla is very peculiar. Number of petals is 5. Petals 5, comma, papilionaceous. The corolla type is called a papilionaceous. Adanna papilionaceous corolla anta karitivi. So what is that papilionaceous corolla? Okay, so one posterior standard petal, posterior side alli ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೆಟಲ್. 2 ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಪೆಟಲ್, okay, and 1 keel at anterior end, at anterior, 1 keel at anterior. That is keel is formed due to the fusion of 2 petals. Okay, at the anterior, keel formed due to the fusion of 2 petals. Okay, so the keel petal ಅನ್ನೋದು 2 petal ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು petals, and it encloses stamen and pistil. So stamen ಮತ್ತೆ pistil ಅನ್ನು ಒಳಗಡೆ enclose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and it appears like a boat shape. Keel is like a boat shaped petal. Okay, so let me explain that papilionaceous corolla again, and finally estivation is very special kind called as vexillary estivation. So estivation is vexillary. Okay, so let me explain with the help of diagram. Petal condition, it is very special here. So suppose this is the stem. From the stem flower is produced on the stalk, and it has calyx. 5 calyx irutte, they are fused. Okay, and towards the posterior side, so posterior side there is a large petal like this, that is called a standard petal. And at the middle it has 2 wing petals. So ee side ಒಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 2 wing petals, and keel petal is present like this. Okay, and this keel petal is formed due to the fusion of 2 petals. ಈ ಥರ ಎರಡು ಪೆಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಪೆಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕೀಲ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಪೆಟಲ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಪೆಟಲ್ ಎರಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೋಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಪೆಟಲ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೀಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ದ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ದ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್, ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಐ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಒನ್ ಪೆಟಲ್, ಈ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಮನ್ಸ್. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟೇಮನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೆಟಲ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪೆಟಲ್, ಹಿಯರ್ androecium, gynoecium are arranged, then one more petal overlap and it appears like this. Okay, so this is the condition. So that is called a keel petal. Okay. Yeah, so next come to androecium character. So let me write androecium. Here, androecium is a number of stamens. Stamens 10 arranged as 9 plus 1 condition. Arranged as 9 plus 1 condition. Diadelphous. Okay, the condition called diadelphous. Okay, so diadelphous andre 9 plus 1 condition. I will explain it again. So diadelphous, filaments fused at the base. Filaments fused at the base. Okay, so what is a diadelphous? So diadelphous alli 1 posterior free plus 9 fused to form one bundle. Okay, so diadelphous ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು posterior free ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and ಉಳಿದಿರೋ 9 ಒಂದು ಬಂಡಲ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 9 together forms one bundle. So filament is fused at the base. Anther, diathecus, anther ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so let me explain it by taking the diagram. Okay, ಸೊ ಈ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕೀಲ್ ಪೆಟಲ್. So this is the keel petal. If you remove one keel petal, inside you can find the carpel like this. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಮನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಮನ್, one stamen. Okay, and the remaining 1, 2, 3. So let me write at the tip. You can write the anther. So let me write the anther in different color. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 stamens. So these 9 stamens are fused at the base like this. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And the encloses the carpel. The encloses the carpel like this. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬಂಡಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ one bundle, that is 9. 9 together forms one bundle, and this one is another bundle. Another bundle, it is formed by only one stamen. So here 9 stamens together forms one bundle. There only one forms one bundle. So the condition is called 9 plus 1 condition. Here the stamen condition is called 9 plus 1. Okay, so later this another petal, keel petal encloses this everything. You cannot see the stamens directly without opening the keel petal. Okay, so this is about the androecium character. So androecium, 10 stamens arranged in a 9 plus 1 condition. So 9 together fused together to form one bundle, and one posterior is free, so called 9 plus 1 condition. Okay, next come to gynoecium character. So gynoecium character ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So next is gynoecium character. So in a gynoecium, number of carpel is only 1. So carpel is 1, so called monocarpellary. So called monocarpellary. Okay, so monocarpellary condition irutte. Then locules, the number of chambers present inside is also single, so called monolocular or unilocular. It is unilocular. ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ chamber ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. If you take a section, you can find only one chamber. Okay, so I already explained that. So if you take a section of a ovary, if it is like this, ಈ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ it is bicarpellary. Bicarpellary, bilocular. ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಪೆಲ್ಸು, ಎರಡು ಚೇಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾನೋಲಾಕ್ಯುಲರ್, bicarpellary. So this is bicarpellary, monolocular. So this is monolocular. Okay, ಅದೇ ಥರ monolocular, monocarpellary. So this is monolocular, monocarpellary ಅಥವಾ unilocular. ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ the stem gynoecium character is monocarpellary and unilocular. Okay, yeah, so unilocular. Then ovary superior. Ovaries superior. ಯಾಕೆ ಓವರಿ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೇಲಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕೇಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಕೇಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಓವರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಓವರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓವರಿ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಓವರಿ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್. ದೆನ್ ಓವ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಓವ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. Many ovules, in an ovary with marginal placentation. Okay, placentation is marginal, and here style is bent. ಇದರ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಬೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Style is bent. ಈ ಥರ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರ್ವ್ ಥರ ಬೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. stigma is simple. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಒಂದು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಓವರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೇಲಿಕ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರಿ, this is style, and this is stigma. Okay, so the straight is stigma in bend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That's why it is called stigma bent. Stigma bent and stigma is simple. So this is about gynoecium character. Okay, then come to last fruit and seed character. So here fruit is called by a specific name. So fruit is called it's a dry fruit, actually dry fruit, and it is called as legume or pod. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ legume or leguminosy ಅನ್ನೋ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ pod. Okay, it's a dry fruit, either it is a legume or pod. Okay. Next, seed. Seed is non-endospermic. Seed is non-endospermic. So usually bean shapes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, usually kidney shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು. Okay. Usually kidney shaped seeds irutte. Okay, and remember it is a non-endospermic. Okay, so this is about the floral character. Next, come to the floral diagram and the floral formula. So I already discussed floral characters nalli odidvi. Calyx and corolla. Calyx is valvate estivation, corolla is vexillary estivation. Okay, and it is a zygomorphic flower. Okay. So let me write the calyx character. Okay, so here is the axis. Since it is a zygomorphic flower, the junction of two sepals should be at the center. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಪಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ 5 ಸೆಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right. Okay, so this is about sepals. Okay, and they are gamosepalous. Gamosepalous ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಗ್ಯಾಮೋಸೆಪಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ ಪೆಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಈಸ್ಟಿವೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟಿವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಪಲ್ಸ್ದು ಈಸ್ಟಿವೇಷನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ವೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ಟಿವೇಷನ್ ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಮೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ ಪೆಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ posterior in condition towards the axis ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ and 2 were small and they are called wing petals. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ವಿಂಗ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And these 2 wing petals, the encloses 2 more and they are fused to form a keel petal. So keel petal ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ and these 2 small petals they are fused together. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟಲ್ಲು, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೆಟಲ್ಲು, ಬಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Okay, so this is standard petal, 2 wing petal and 1 keel. 1 keel is formed due to the fusion of 2 petals. Okay, and next whorl is stamen. So totally 10 stamens. The arrangement is 9 plus 1. So the one which is single, whereas 9 together forms 1 bundle. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೊಂದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು 9. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so the 9 fused to form 1 bundle. ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಬಂಡಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 9 plus 1 condition. So this is 9 plus 1, totally 10. Okay. Next is gynoecium character. So gynoecium is monocarpellary unilocular ovary. So this is monocarpellary and locule is single. So this is unilocular. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದೇ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ಸೊ unilocular and single ovule can be shown here with marginal placentation. So this indicate marginal placentation. Okay, so this is the floral diagram and it has bract as well. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ bract. Okay, so this is the floral diagram. Then what about the floral formula? So let me write the floral formula. Floral formula, it has bract first. Bract irutte and many in general we can consider it as bract, and many were there which are ebracteate as well. Bract irolla, and the flower is zygomorphic and flower is bisexual. Flower is bisexual. Then calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Okay, so calyx 5 irutte, 5 fuse ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So you can write within a bracket. But a corolla 1 plus 2 plus 2, 1 separate ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is standard petal. 2 wing petal plus 2 wing petal plus 2 together forms 1. ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. 1 plus 2 plus 2 within a bracket, that is vexillary estivation. Okay, then calyx ಆಯಿತು, corolla. Next androecium. So androecium 1 separate ಇದೆ plus 9. So it is 1 plus 9 condition, whereas 9 are fused to form 1 bundle. So it should be right within a bracket. So yeah, androecium is 1 plus 9 fused. Then come to gynoecium, monocarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary. Line ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ superior ovary. Okay. Yeah, so this is about floral formula. Bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5 fused, corolla 1 plus 2 plus 2 with bracket, androecium 1 plus 9, then gynoecium 1. So this is floral formula. Okay, so this is about the characters of the family Fabaceae. Okay, yeah. Then come to its economic importance. Okay, so importance of the family Fabaceae. ಏನಿದೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್. ನಾವೇನು ಬೇಳೆ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸೈಸರ್ ಎರಿಟಿನಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್, ಸೈಸರ್ ಎರಿಟಿನಮ್. ಸೊ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈಸರ್ ಎರಿಟಿನಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಪೀಜನ್ ಪಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವ, ಅದು ತೊಗರಿ. ಸೊ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಖಜಾನ. Then right, 1 2 3. Okay, green gram. ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು, ಇದರದ್ದು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಿಗ್ನಾ ರೇಡಿಯೇಟಾ. Then lab bean. Okay, so lab bean, that is avarekai. So this is Dolichus labla. Okay. Yeah. Then beans. Actually it is a French bean ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಬೀನ್ಸ್ದು ಫೇಸಿಯೋಲಸ್ vulgaris. Then come to oil yielding plant. So next oil yielding. Okay, so that is groundnut. Okay, so groundnut and soya bean. So these are the two oil yielding plants from this family Fabaceae. So groundnut, scientific name is Arachis hypogaea. Then soya bean, it is glycine max. So glycine max anteli. So oil yielding plants are also there under the family Fabaceae. So next medicinal. So few plants from Fabaceae can be used as the medicine, like licorice. So licorice anteli, so kannadadalli adanna jesta madhu antare. So the jesta madhu, okay, so it is sweeter than the sugar anteli. Powder is sweeter than the sugar. It can be used in the treatment of cough. Okay, licorice anteli the English name adradu. So licorice powder anta sigate. So licorice powder na haligeಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಫ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so that is used as medicine. Okay, so scientific name is Glycyrrhiza glabra. Okay, next few plants were used as fodder. So fodder like ಟ್ರೈಫೋಲಿಯಂ. ಸೊ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೈಫೋಲಿಯಂ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್. Okay, that can be used as fodder. Okay, so this is the importance of the family Fabaceae. Okay. Yeah, thank you.